I am testing out dental tourism in Merida, Mexico. Located in northern Merida, Whiteline Clinic was founded in 2013 by brothers Guillermo and Eduardo Trujillo. From wisdom teeth extractions to prosthetic treatments like crowns and veneers, Whiteline Clinic is ready to handle all of your dental needs. It is a very luxurious dental office. I'm here because I am testing out dental tourism, seeing what the benefits are, what the process is like, and how much it's gonna cost you. Today, I am getting a whitening done as well as a cleaning. They're both 1-hour processes, and I'm gonna take you guys along for that journey. The doctors just got here. Me and Mike are gonna take turns doing our cleanings and whitenings so we can film each other, show you the exact process of what dental tourism is like in Mexico. Before the cleaning started, Dr. Guillermo showed great interest in Mike and I's adventures in Merida. We spoke about the cenotes we visited and the rich history of the Yucatan Peninsula. Dr. Guillermo then went over the entire cleaning procedure with Mike. He reassured him that this process would be simple and painless.
That's true. Okay, let me check you, okay? I am going to put you this in here. Relax, I am going to move it.
Dr. Guillermo began removing the plaque and tartar from Mike's lower teeth. After 20 minutes, he moved on to Mike's upper teeth.
Appreciate it, thank you.
Okay, no, my pleasure.
Mike, how was that?
Easy.
Easy money? It's about my turn to get my teeth cleaned, and we're gonna see how it turns out.
Let's do this, my friend.
Did you always know you wanted to be a dentist?
No, I was going to be an architect first.
Oh my god. Architect of teeth.
First, accountant.
Oh wow.
Then architect, and then I decided dentistry. Because my father is in the medical field. He's not dentistry, he's a radiologist.
Oh wow.
But I didn't want to study medicine.
Congratulations.
Thank you, thank
That's
you.
incredible.
Thank you, Ted.
When I was 14, I got braces to fix my crooked teeth. After 2 years, they were removed and a permanent retainer was glued to my bottom teeth to prevent them from moving. Dr. Guillermo had no difficulty navigating my fixed retainer.
You can get a crown, a good crown, very aesthetic crown. You can pay $400. Very recently we had a patient that told us, I guess in US, one dentist was charging him $6,000. $6,000. So take your time because like I told Mike, you can get this if you stand over very fast, okay? So take your time.
So I love to drink coffee every day.
Okay.
How can I maintain a white smile and drink coffee? Is it possible, or what do you recommend?
The only thing that I would recommend you is try to get a dental cleaning every 5 or 6 months. Because the stains that you get with the coffee, the solution or the only way to remove them is with a dental cleaning, with this kind of instrument. Okay? Sometimes, even if you brush your teeth in a good way, sometimes the food gets stuck between the teeth.
Yeah.
Okay? So that's why it's important the floss, because the floss is going to remove that food that gets stuck that sometimes you can't remove only with the brushing.
So I just got my teeth cleaning done by Dr. Guillermo, and it was phenomenal. He was very gentle, very soothing. His voice could be used on a meditation app. He's very careful, he goes very slowly. make sure he tells you what you're doing as he's doing it. If he's gonna pull my cheek to the side, if he's going to change the position of my head. He's very articulate when it comes to the care. And I didn't experience any pain as well. It was a very soothing process, and there was no sudden jolts of pain that I felt during my cleaning. Now, since I just wrapped up my cleaning, Mike is getting his teeth whitened right now. The whitening process takes 40 minutes, and 2 applications of the whitening solution will be applied. Depending on how sensitive your teeth are, you may want to do only 30 minutes. Dr. Eduardo went over all the tools needed to complete the whitening. He outlined the gums with a blue gel to protect them during the treatment. Then he added a hydrogen peroxide gel that began whitening the teeth. After 20 minutes, he removed the red gel and applied another application. In-office whitening treatments are more aggressive due to the desire of instant results. My teeth were tender for 2 days after the treatment, but noticeably whiter. Every year, tourists from around the world visit Mexico to receive dental treatments. A dental cleaning in the United States will set you back $125 on average. At Whiteline Clinic, that same cleaning will cost $47. To professionally whiten your teeth in the United States, you'll spend around $650. At Whiteline Clinic, you'll pay $162. Root canals and crowns can cost up to $5,000 in the United States. At Whiteline Clinic, you'll pay around $530 depending on what material you select. All my previous dental work was done in the United States. There were 2 differences I noticed while getting dental treatment in Mexico. I didn't need to take x-rays before my appointment, and the cleaning was performed by a doctor instead of a dental hygienist. Dr. Guillermo, Dr. Eduardo, and Vanessa made us feel like their most important patients. A day after our treatment, they followed up with us to make sure our sensitivity had reduced. They even sent us a guidebook on Merida and invited us to a Dia de los Muertos party. I've never received such hospitality from a dentist in my life. Just got the whitening done with my friends, Guillermo, Eduardo, and we have Vanessa over here. Thank you. Guys, seriously, if you're thinking about trying out dental tourism, come check out Whiteline Clinic in Merida. These guys will take care of you.
Thank you. We will wait for you here.
Yes, of course. I'll leave all their information in the link below so you guys can contact them. If you have any questions, if you have any concerns, these guys will help you out. Eduardo.
For sure.
Guillermo.
For
thank
sure.
you so much, guys.
Thanks to you. Thanks to you for everything.
Thank you very
much, to come here.
Appreciate
See you.
Peace. Okay. I thought this was Don Julio.
No, I hope.